Hello friends, welcome to my channel Who's Escapade. No,
I'm going to unbox this Xiaomi or Redmi
truly wireless AirDots.
So let's go for it. I purchased it
In China, around in Indian price around
$1,700. So let's do for
unboxing without any delay. So this is truly wireless
AirPods, which is available cheaper in the market right now. So it is not launched in India officially, but you can order from Gearbest or other websites, AliExpress to India. So this is a thing which available inside the box, so you can see. So it mentioned the logo MI. So MI is nothing but Xiaomi or Redmi. So you will get this two
right and left
ear
speakers. So once you remove from it,
it will get switched on, so you can directly connect to any iOS or Android devices. So I hope in this price point it's justifying
the performance actually. So other things, let's see what's inside this. So again the same manual,
so which is in Chinese, so you can't read this. I can't read it,
so let's keep aside. And next thing which available is
inside we have this
earpiece of 3
sizes, you can say.
So it comes with 3 prices. So one is small,
medium and large. So based on your ear size you can fix it. So already the comes medium size in the earpiece.
So as I was saying, at this price point
It's performing well, so it's great bass and as well as the music
at higher volume
rate is
it's quite justifying the price point. So you can see the specifications here.
so it's 5 volt 100 milliamperes. Yeah, again this same.
So it uses this micro
USB for charging.
So the charging, when it comes to this
Charging point, so if you listen music continuously for 3 to 4 hours, so it's still performing well.
At around
80% of volume, we can use it for 3 to 4 hours continuously. We can watch a movie in a mobile phone later, I can say.
Regarding the call,
I face a little bit of disturbance when I use the calls.
okay. So
I would recommend, it's good for music, and hope this is not that much useful for the voice, because you may get some voice interruption during the usage.
So that's it regarding this.
Earpods. Oh, sorry, I forgot to say. So it comes with Android, Bluetooth 5.0 version. So it's
Comfortable for very
long distance. So you can say generally the Bluetooth comes with 10 meters. So I think it covers very long range. So that's the advantage of this truly wireless AirPods.
Okay guys, I will
Leave the link in the description. So if you have any doubts, you can comment on the comment section.